Alright, so the other day I did a video on this, and people went crazy. Oh, no way, I went 62 miles an hour. I wasn't planning on doing a speed run. I just wanted to see how much this increased the speed, changing the setting. It came out 62 miles an hour, which is way under the map for what this could do maximum on possibility. And people are like, oh, there's no way at that low RPM and the way it is. And, you know, people just don't understand what a torque converter is. I don't know. But, you know, actually, I got one over here. No, I got it. You know, you got your pinion off your engine. And that engine has to spin 6 times to spin this once to your 10 tooth. It goes back to, say, a 36 tooth, alright? Mine starts out at 3 to 1 and then goes 1 to 1 at 3,500 RPM to a 2.5 inch pulley to a 8-inch pulley, which is the identical configuration of a 10 tooth to a 36 tooth, okay? So, just put this in perspective. For the 10 tooth on that is going 3,500 RPM. For one of these little bike engines, you need to get this going like 15,000 freaking RPM to do 3,500 RPM at that 10 tooth sprocket to a 36 tooth, okay? This does it at 800 RPMs. It's already at 1 to 1 and driving that, and the rest is just cruising. It has a ton of torque. It's probably 5 times of what one of those little 2-strokes is. So I'm just gonna throw that out there. And that's why, like, on the 4-strokes, people try to get them up to 9 grand because they wait till 2 grand for that to engage and then gotta run it out. But they usually run like a, say, 50 tooth on the back of this to like a 12 tooth up front. So it's a little different when it's a mini bike and smaller tires too. So remember that. You know, these are 26-inch rims. So big difference. But anyways, with all that said, I really don't care about the top speed, to be honest. So here is the old GPS. As you can see, it was in miles per hour. This was the one I used. Alright, here's a new one, GPS. I use a cell phone mount. It's the only one I have, and it vibrates like hell because this thing is really not kind. It vibrates, shakes, rattle your teeth. I'm not even going to try to justify it. It's a diesel. It's cool as hell, though. So anyways, I'll show you in a second. I'm gonna lose my phone. So, I took a ride where it goes side by side so you can see how they're identical. It's the best they could do, and the glare is brutal right now. So, I mean, I'm in the south, so. Anyways, you can see that they're dead on. Didn't cut the video, anything. Put my phone, hit it, and then, took this for a ride on a speed ride so you could see this. I pointed the camera down like this instead of like this because everyone said it makes it look slow. So I did it like that, and I took everyone's advice, and here we go. We're going to do another test with a brand new speedometer, cell phone test, and it still comes out 62 miles an hour. So, funny as hell. Anyways, there's the math to this and everything in the last video and all that explained. Really don't know what more to tell you than that. I honestly don't really care about a top speed because I'm never going to drive it like that again. But just for the sake of science and looking at like how the camera angle looks and stuff for it being slow, I was kind of curious and wanted to see what some of you guys said and the difference of how it looked, and yeah, it really does make a big difference. So anyways, here we go. Alright, so another thing to note too, Someone asked if these are speed sensors on here. They are not anything to do with the GPS. See, there's no speed sensor. The other GPS actually has a stop sensor I had on here that was on the other side when I did the other video, but these are not. This is actually really cool though. So these are 120 LED lights, and when the wheel turns, they turn out patterns. So I actually have one on the back as well. So they do a full wheel display pattern. It's really, really cool. I should do a video on that. But that's what those are. They're not speed sensor things. This is a GPS. See, there's no wires on this one. So I don't know. I had someone ask if the settings were off. It's literally by satellite, so I don't know what to tell you. There's no setting to change GPS settings, you know what I mean?
Miles per hour, miles per hour. Vibration, look at this thing. Yeah, one wheel. Everyone said I have the camera pointing straight at it, so this is low, so we'll do it side by side. 3.